iPhone 4S front camera repair. Warning: this repair will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. On a level scale, this is a fairly easy repair, and it will take about 20 minutes to complete. To perform this repair, you will need 5-point Pentalobe screwdriver, 00 Phillips screwdriver, Spudger, metal pry tool, tweezers, flathead screwdriver, SIM eject tool. Optional, we recommend using Magmat for all your repair needs. To see Magmat in action, see our Magmat video. All these products and tools can be purchased at iPhoneRepairMiamiBeach.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Turn off your iPhone. Remove the two bottom screws next to the dock connector. Push the rear panel toward the top of the iPhone and remove the rear panel. Remove the two Phillips screws securing the battery to the motherboard. Make sure not to lose a small contact and disconnect the battery. Insert metal pry tool on the right side of the battery and remove the battery. Remove the following two screws. And remove the dock connector flex cover. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws securing the cable cover to the motherboard and remove cable cover. Remove the following Phillips screw securing ground clip to the motherboard and remove the clip. Use Spudger to disconnect and remove back camera. Use Spudger to disconnect audio jack, power button, front camera, LCD and digitizer cables. And last, disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna. Disconnect the dock connector flex cable. Disconnect the signal antenna. Remove the following 2 Phillips and 2 flathead screws securing motherboard in place. Remove black tape covering the screw. Remove the Phillips screw securing motherboard in place and make sure not to lose the small grounding piece. Remove the SIM tray. Carefully remove the motherboard from the iPhone. Open front camera cover and remove the front camera. To reassemble your device, follow the steps in reverse order.